Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG New State on a rooted device. Many applications, especially games with strong anti-cheat systems like PUBG New State, detect rooted phones and prevent them from running. This can be frustrating, but there are methods to bypass these checks. We'll cover the essential steps to get you into the game, ensuring a smooth experience despite your device's rooted status. Let's dive into the details. Before we begin, you'll need a few key tools. First, ensure you have Magisk Manager installed, as it's crucial for managing your root access. Next, activate Magisk Hide, or more accurately, configure the Deny List feature within Magisk to hide root from PUBG New State. Finally, you'll need to download and install a Zygisk module, which helps in further concealing your root status from the game's detection systems. These steps are foundational for success. Now, let's configure Magisk properly. Open Magisk Manager and navigate to the Deny List settings. Make sure to add PUBG New State to this list, ensuring Magisk hides root from the game. After configuring the Deny List and installing your Zygisk module, it's vital to clear the game's data and cache from your device settings. This removes any previous detection flags. Finally, a quick reboot of your device will apply all the changes, preparing it for the game. With everything configured, it's time to launch PUBG New State. Open the game and see if it runs without any root detection errors. If you encounter problems, don't worry. Troubleshooting is part of the process. You might need to try a different Zygisk module, as compatibility can vary. Also, always ensure your Magisk Manager and all related modules are updated to their latest versions for optimal performance and detection bypass. Enjoy playing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.